Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, Eastern Bay, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, until 9:15 p.m. At 7:48 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing wind gusts in excess of 34 knots from 19 nautical miles north of Baltimore Inner Harbor to 32 nautical miles west of Mayo, moving east at 30 knots. This line of thunderstorms will be near Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, Eastern Bay, wind gusts of at least 34 knots, locally high waves and dangerous lightning can't be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service.
North Beach, Maryland.
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania.
Dangerous lightning can't be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service. The marine forecast.